I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by using an administrator account so changes stick. First, open Start and go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and open Windows Security. Once Windows Security launches, navigate to Virus and Threat Protection to reach real-time protection controls. Make sure you save any work. Disabling protections can prompt system warnings. You're doing this to stop automatic scans or when installing compatible third-party antivirus. Proceed only when you understand the risk and have an alternate protection plan in place. Now go to Virus and Threat Protection Settings and click Manage Settings. You'll see Real-Time Protection. Toggle it off and accept any user account control confirmation. This stops active scanning immediately. If Windows blocks changes, temporarily turn off tamper protection in the Security Center first, then re-attempt the toggle. Once done, you can re-enable tamper protection. Remember, this is a temporary state for installation or troubleshooting, so plan to re-enable protections soon to keep your device safe from new threats. Finish by restarting your PC so services and policies refresh. Some settings don't fully take effect until after a reboot. Once your task is complete, make sure to re-enable real-time protection or confirm a third-party antivirus is active to maintain security. If the toggle reverts to on or is grayed out, check for group policy or registry policies pushed by enterprise management. Those require admin or IT intervention. As a quick troubleshooting tip, run Windows Security as administrator and review Windows Update for pending security patches that may block changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.